Hello everyone. I hope. Hello. Hello everyone. I hope everybody is doing well. So before getting into physics and mathematics of Kathak, I just want to say some history of Kathak. Kathak, originally it was performed by Indian dancers. When it was performed in temples. It was very light movement in the beginning, and it was the costumes which we are wearing now is influenced by the Mughals and the Britishers peoples, and the music which is we are following now also it's from the Britishers, which they influenced from the Western culture. But following the footworks of the late Pandit Birju Maharaj of Lucknow Gharana, where we three are trained. So let's get into physics and mathematics of Kathak. So which you guys want to know first, the physics or mathematics?
Physics.
Which you want to know?
Physics. Physics.
Sound, I'm not everybody here.
Physics.
Physics? Where are mathematics students, please? What is this area?
They are very slow, I guess.
Mathematics or physics?
Physics. Physics.
Physics? Okay, for this physics, I'm going to challenge my dancers who can do how many spins. What do you think? How many spins can we do? 36. Okay, guess number 136. Anything else?
50.
180? Oh my god.
50.
Anything else?
50.
50. Okay. 2000. Anything else? The last option? Let's go in two-digit numbers. Even we are also humans. 20. Okay. Okay. So I challenge my dancers with myself. Who is going to do how many number of spins? Let's go with mathematics for the physics. Sorry. So before getting into that, I would like to elaborate the concept of physics in Kathak. Kathak chakras or spins demonstrate several physics concepts, including when a dancer spins, they generate angular momentum, which is the rotational equivalent of linear momentum. As the dancers pulls their limbs closer to their body during a spin, they decrease their moment of inertia, causing an increase in angular velocity to conserve angular momentum. Conservation of energy, the first concept. The kinetic energy of the dancer's body is converted from potential energy as they lift their body during the spin, and then back to kinetic energy as they spin faster. The exchange demonstrates the principle of conservation of energy. Next, torque. The dancer applies torque to their body to initiate and maintain the spin. Torque is a rotational equivalent of force, and it causes angular acceleration according to Newton's second law of motion. The last concept, centripetal force. To keep the dancer moving in a circular path, there must be a centripetal force acting towards the center of rotation. In Kathak chakras, this force is typically provided by friction between the dancer's feet and the ground. So, I would like to thank the ground and the sky for doing this. So, now are you people ready? Who do you think will win? I myself, Uday or Yashita or Sansi? The sound is not enough. What is? Who is gonna win? Let's see. Or we three are gonna win.
तत्त एक तत्त दो तत्त तीन तत्त चार तत्त पाँच तत्त छः तत्त सात तत्त आठ तत्त नौ तत्त 10 तत्त 11 तत्त 12 तत्त 13 तत्त 14 तत्त 15 तत्त 16 तत्त 17 तत्त 18 तत्त 19 तत्त 20 तत्त 21 तत्त 22 तत्त 23 तत्त 24 तत्त 25 तत्त 26 तत्त 27 तत्त 28 तत्त 29 तत्त 30 तत्त 31 तत्त 32 तत्त 33 तत्त 34 तत्त 35 तत्त 36.
Okay, how many chakras we did? 36. Was it nice? For us, not. Okay, next let's go with mathematics. Mathematics, people. There is no sound. Should we go or talk about mathematics too? There is no sound. Make some sound, no? Okay. So, the numbers in Kathak, also called as Ginti in Hindi, by Pandit Birju Maharaj, who has used this Gintis to explain the small kids. Because this dances, people start from small age, from 3, 4, who start learning. For them, you can't say ta, te, tat, te, tat. So to make them interesting, Birju Maharaj introduced this concept of numbers. So first we'll go with Ginti Tihai. So to make it a very universal concept, like in clock, 1 second goes right, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So ek gun, that is, it goes in 1, for 1 second, 1 matra. So dha, dhin, dha, dhin, dha, na, tin, na, the, dhin, dha. How many matras did I say? Correct. 16. So most of the things are included by fours. This is teen tal, which has teen tali and ek khali. In hand it goes like this. Dha, dhin, dha, dhin, dha, na, fin, na, the, dhin, dha. How many classes were there? How many not classes were there?
4 class.
3 claps and 1. That is called teen tal. Tals, teen tal. Biology student is so bright. I feel so happy. Okay. With the first Ginti Tihai we go. It goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it goes in 2 avartan. 1 avartan consists of 16 matras and 2 avartan consists of 32. 16 into 2, 32. It goes like you can calculate. Like I'll give a simple calculation. If suppose it is 10 avartan, how many matras it will be? 10 avartan, 1 avartan consists of 16 matras. 160. Okay, we'll go higher number. Let us go. Give a number. But you people should answer, not I. 99 avartan, how many matras? No calculators.
396.
Huh? Did anybody use calculator? So, we'll do the Ginti types using the tool. It goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. With the next one, you want one more or let's end? Okay. So the next Ginti Tihai goes like 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 7 8 5 that you will notice the difference between the first and the second tihai. The first one had little bit breath to take between 3 times, like ek, ek, do, teen, char, panch, ek, do, teen, char, panch, ek, do, teen, ek, do, teen, char, panch, ek, do, teen, char, panch, ek, do, teen, char, panch. There is a 1 second break. But in the second tihai which you saw, there is no break. Like ek, do, teen, char, panch, ek, do, teen, char, teen, char, panch, teen, char, panch, teen, char, panch, teen, char, panch, do. So it varies with different levels. So this we call as off beat. Most of the Ginti ball goes in off beats. It doesn't go like 1 second, 1 matra. It might go 1 second, 1.5 matra. So only we are more than, how much did I say? 2 avartan. So tihais are 2 avartan, 32 matras. But your numbers, if you calculate everything, it comes more than 32. It comes around 46, 48 also. But due to the off beats, it comes exactly at 32. For one of the last, this I will do last and go. One of the, in my guru, when I was learning with a guru online, this was the bowl which I took 1 month to learn. It was one of the difficult ones. I hope it makes your ears beautiful, sounds good. It goes like dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, na, tin, tin, na, the, dhin, dhin, dha. Dha ta ka tunga, dha ge di ge dha, dha din da, dit ta kita ta tha ka tunga, ta ki kita ka, tit ka ga di na tha te te ta ta a te te ta te 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 ta ta te 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 ta ta te 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 ta ta dha. You want in higher speed?
Yes.
3 into 10 to the power 8.
In our dance generally, to the non-dancer background people, what happens in Kathak background is we start very slow. Then we will go to a speed where for 1 second you have to say 8 matras. Like that. It's called art gun. Like that, it took for me months to learn. I'll increase the speed. Tha din din da, tha din din da, na tin tin na, tite din din da, da ta ka tunga, dha ge di ge da, dha din da, dit ta kita ta tha ka tunga, ta ki ga, tite ka ga di ne, tha ti te ta, ha ti te ta, tha te 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 ta ta te 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 ta ta te 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 ta ta dha. Thank you. So, the conclusion of this piece is, even in dance, there is maths and physics. Before the concepts of centripetal force or the acceleration or the angular momentum was introduced, this was followed in dance, in Indian dance form. So, instead of saying, okay, it is bored to watch, please do watch. There is science in dance. Thank you.